Hi, my name's Clay McPhail. I have 5280 Burger Bar here in downtown Denver. I live about 4 blocks from here, and we sell gourmet hamburgers. We make our own ice cream. We make everything from scratch. We have a full bar. We're open inside and outside. COVID-19 has affected everyone in the downtown area, mainly because with the convention closed and the hotels operating at a lower capacity, we don't have the people walking by and wanting great gourmet burgers. Not as many people downtown as there normally is in a summer. We're down about 45% of our normal sales. And so our day-to-day operations have changed so much because we have to change staffing, we have to change our menu, and there's so much we have to do because of COVID. One of the things we did to change our business model is work with the city and the pavilions on opening up this Glenarm patio. It has helped us not only with seating, but it also is attractive when people walk by. We also do curbside service. We're doing lots of second-party delivery and doing anything we can to get our food in people's mouths. We have daily specials. We have our happy hour. We've extended a little bit. We do serve table service on the Glenarm patio, and as people start going back to the offices, we hope they'll come back and see us. They're still at 20% occupancy as far as we know, but it's growing every day, and hopefully we'll get back where we were last year. You can find more information about 5280 Burger Bar at our website, which is 5280burgerbar.com. Our phone number here in the pavilions is 303-825-1020. We do catering, we have a food truck, and of course we have our Glenarm patio that we love serving on. So let us know if we can do anything for you. Thanks.